Hello everyone, I'm back. So today we'll be creating our first web application. So open a file folder and create a new folder where you want to store your web application. So after that, open command prompt from the directory where you want to store your web application. Next, um, we will cd into we'll change the directory into the directory which I want to go, that is my site. So I've created a folder called my site to store my flask web application. So now let's open Visual Studio Code by saying code dot, means we are going to open the current directory in Visual Studio Code. So let's wait for it to open. So you can see that I have opened Visual Studio Code here. Now we're going to install some extensions which is going to help us making our Flask web application. So the first one is Python. Many of you must have already installed it, I believe. So Python is created by Microsoft. This extension is by Microsoft. Just click install button here if you have not installed it. Next is the Jinja. So you have the Jinja templating language support. So just install this extension. It helps us in Jinja templating. So now we will create a new file called lab.py. Okay. So first, what we'll do is from Flask we'll import the Flask class, then we will set app as an instance of the Flask class. After that, we have to create a decorator setting something called as a route. So what is route in web applications is, example, you have created a website called www.mysite.com. so you must have seen some routes like /about, then there are /contact. There are so many routes. You can create your own custom routes. So these are the common routes like /contact, /about, /help and all that. So we are going to create a basic route, that is slash, which is going to be our index page, and we have to mention a function every time after a decorator. So we are creating a function called index, and we will return hello world. And if underscore name underscore name then we will run the app, that is app.run, and we will set the debug parameter to true. So what this debug is, it enables us to reload the Flask web server after we make any changes. So now I will save this file, and after that I'll go to my command prompt and clear it, and I will just run app.py, python app.py. So let's wait for it to start. Okay, so it has started with debug mode on. So I will open my web browser. So it has given us a URL saying that it is running on this URL, localhost URL. So localhost URL is basically 127.0.0.1. So this is a URL which you can run it only on your computer and not on other computers. So now let's just paste this and go. You can see that it has returned the hello world which we have returned here. So you can see the website with hello world. Now I will show you how debug works. Now we are going to change this hello world to h1 hello world. So we can also write basic HTML syntax here. You see that it is detected a change and it's waiting for reload. Now we'll reload the app and see that we have got the heading tag hello world. So I hope you all like this video. In the next video we'll see more about routes in Flask. Please do subscribe my channel and share my videos to support my content. Bye bye.